So today we have the FROST Vibratory Cleaners. We do this big baby, 8 kilogram ball, and then we've got the small one which has got a 4 kilogram capacity ball. These are great for cleaning and de-rusting small parts. You can actually fit a 10-inch piece into the large one and about 4.5, 5-inch piece into the small one. The only difference really is, apart from the size, is that the small one you can only use dry. You can't put liquids in this one because there's no drainage hole on this. But this one, there's a drainage hole here and a drainage hole here, and you also get this drainage pipe to go along with this. So if you were looking at maybe wanting to use something like the Vibro liquid, and this is literally just a liquid you put in, 2.5% dilution rate with water. It just keeps the parts cleaner, keeps the dust levels down as well in the bowls. Or if you're looking at de-rusting parts, especially small parts, instead of using something like the Vibro liquid, you can actually use a rust remover. So if you were, say, you were using the great rust cutting media, and this is brilliant for nuts and bolts, getting into all those little threads in whatever you've got, use it in conjunction with the rust remover. You'll find that your results will be much quicker, and again, it keeps the dust levels down, and you can reuse this and reuse this until it turns black. When it's black, it's really no longer effective. So the medias that we've got to go with these, we'll start with the grey rust cutting media again. So very slow, very small, very sharp, very angular. Brilliant for nuts and bolts, threaded items, anything really, but it is very, very tough, very hard, very coarse. The plastic pyramids, now these are for softer metals, aluminiums, coppers, brasses, anything that you've got that's just wants maybe a little bit of cleaning, they're absolutely ideal. And you can actually use them in conjunction with the walnut as well for a little bit of polishing. We do the ceramic media, again, very, very hard, brilliant for deburring edges on whatever pieces that you've got. So especially for steels, metals, anything like that, very hard, not brittle at all, but you can keep using these until literally they wear away. The porcelain media is a medium grade abrasive, you know, softer metals maybe, but also brilliant if you're looking at doing a polishing job. You would probably use something like that first, and then you would use the walnut media for that final polish. But again, with the walnut, you can only use that dry. Don't put any liquid in there, it'll just turn to mush. You want to be leaving these running for anywhere between 4 to 6 hours, no more really, because they do only have small motors on them. So don't turn them on and leave them overnight, can burn the motor out. We sell a lot of these to jewelers because they're small, they're great for cleaning, anything you want to do with them really. Thank you.